So guys, here we are. So we installed the Android version with the navigator, and as you can see there is two traffic on the display. So we are remotely receiving the data from the RB-01, that is this one that you already know. So you can see all the traffic and whatever, and also is integrated in our LX. As we mentioned, the highlight is very crisp and clear due to the fact now that we are on completely in sunlight. So here we have the traffic and whatever, and also we can have also the HSI. So as you can see, there is the direction, and then here we are integrated the direction, and also it is going to be passed on the autopilot that we have. So full review, and see you soon with the Android version.